In this lesson, we are gonna learn how we can add a sticky navigation menu to our WordPress website without using any third-party plugins. Suppose you are making a website for yourself or your client. So you want to make it super easy for your users to navigate their desired pages. A sticky navigation menu can help your users to navigate their desired page very easily. Now there are lots of plugins that can help you, but using too many plugins to your WordPress website can slow it down. Also, if you try to update your theme or change your theme, your new plugin may not match with your new theme. So, we are not using any plugins, but we are using custom CSS codes. Now do not worry, I am gonna show you everything so that you can continue even if you do not know anything about coding. As you can see here, this is a WordPress e-commerce website, and when I am scrolling down, the navigation menu is disappearing as it is not sticky. On the home page, I am gonna click on my mouse right button. Now I will scroll down to the inspect option and then click on it. Then I will search for HTML header tag inside my code. As you can see, whenever I am taking my mouse on it, it is highlighting the navigation bar. Now I will copy the ID value. If you don't see an ID value, don't worry, you can copy the class name. So what I am gonna do now is I am gonna signing in to my admin dashboard. Now scroll down to the appearance section. Now hover your mouse to the customize and click on it. This is your theme's customization options. You can see your theme's name here. Now scroll down to the custom CSS section. In here, you have to type the CSS codes showing in your display. Now listen something carefully. As I have copied the header ID value, I am putting here a hash and then the ID value. If you have copied the header ID value, then you have to put a hash and then your ID value. If you have copied your header ID class name, then you need to put a dot and then the class name. Now click on publish to update your changes. Now let's preview our update in a new page. Wow! From now, our header is always sticky. That's all for this video. I hope from now on you can make a sticky navigation menu for your WordPress website without using any third-party plugins.